Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by matching project settings to your footage so nothing drifts later. Import both the camera file and any reference audio, then reveal waveforms immediately. Once done, right-click the video layer and choose separate audio if needed. Make sure snapping is on so you land beats exactly. You want visible wave peaks and a locked timeline scale. This early precision saves time if your waveforms look tiny. Zoom the timeline to see detail and prepare to mark sync points. Now you align. Play the footage and add markers on strong transients like claps or syllable attacks, both on camera audio and on the clean track. Once both have markers, drag the clean audio to match marker positions. If durations differ, use time stretch or the slip tool to preserve pitch while fitting runtime. Make sure to zoom until you can see 1 to 2 frame shifts clearly. Then nudge audio by single frames with the comma/period keys for tight lip sync. Finish by scrubbing and looping critical lines while watching lips. Adjust micro timing until motion and consonants land exactly. Once satisfied, render short MP4 proof clips at full resolution to confirm playback across devices. If you still notice echo or drift, make sure your audio sample rates match e.g. 48 kHz, and that clips aren't governed by differing timecodes or retiming effects. One quick tip: consolidate or pre-render any time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.